guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change site name on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right here on my Wix website editor, I have here a site that is named My Site 8. So this is actually not a really good website name. So we need to change that. So in order to change this, what we can do is we can scroll down until we reach settings right here on our left sidebar. Click on settings. Then once you have done that, you can see in here the website settings. So click on that. Once you have clicked on that, you can see in here the site name. So this is my site name, which is my site 8. So in order to change that, we just need to click on this, delete that, and then put in the site that we want. So for me, I'll just name it Tiara Travels. So this will be my site name. So this site name actually shows on my dashboard and my sites page, but it's also used in search results. To manage the website type for SEO, go to the editor. So in here, you can also see the site address, which is the URL, and it's also called my site 8. So let's change that to Tiara Travels as well. So once you're done with everything, you can see that everything has been changed. Just click on that save button right there. So let's click on the save button, and then you can see it will update the site address. So once you have updated the site address, this will as well load our website dashboard. So in here, this will show us our website dashboard, and as you can see, our site name has been changed, site has been published as well. So let's head to our home, and then let's head to our thing right here. This is the domain that we have right now. So just click on this domain name here, and once you click on that, you should be able to see in here the URL. As you can see, the URL has changed as well. It is now named Tiara Travels, and we have now successfully changed the site name as well as the URL. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change your site name and your URL. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!